Ah! The boat! The boat! Where's the boat? It's diverging! Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Where is it? They took her! They took her!
I'm going.
Which way? Where?
I think it went this way. Come
Thank
follow
you.
me.
The boat that took Miss Mayfield away is moving, so the position at time t is given by this vector. Find the speed of the boat at time t equals 5 in hundreds of miles per hour, and is the speed increasing or decreasing at t equals 5 seconds. X of t is given by the square root of t plus 6, and y of t is given by the natural log of t squared plus 3. X prime of t is equal to 1 over 2 root t plus 6, and y prime of t is given by 2t over t squared plus 3. Speed is equal to the magnitude of the velocity vector, which is also equal to the square root of x prime of t squared plus y prime of t squared. So I substituted in for each function y prime of t and x prime of t, and we then found the magnitude at t equals 5, and we substituted in 5 for t into each equation, and then simplified to get 0.388 hundreds of miles per hour. And so for the second part of the question, asking if the speed is increasing or decreasing at t equals 5, we knew that acceleration is the derivative of velocity, and so we found our velocity vector and our acceleration vector. We then substituted in 5 for t in each one, and noticed that they have different signs, so the speed is decreasing in the x and y directions.
Wait up!
Will you quit it?
What?
Is the ocean not big enough for you? Why are you following me?
What?
You got a problem? Do you? Do you? Do you?
What?
Why are you following me?
You're showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I saw a boat not too long ago. It went this way. Follow me.
Wait, you already told me it went that way.
I did?
Is this some kind of practical joke? It's not funny.
No, it's not. I suffer from short-term memory loss.
Short-term memory loss? I don't believe this.
No, it's true. It runs in the family.
Stop wasting my time. I gotta find my teacher.
Hello. Well, hi. Name's Bruce. I understand. Why touch a shark, right? So what's a couple of bites like you doing out so good?
Nothing. We aren't even out.
So how do morsels like to come to a little get-together on coffee? Like a party? Yeah. A party. Yeah, I love a party. Alright, follow me. Would anybody like to come do a testimony? Oh, me, pick me. Okay, come on. I'm Dory.
Hi, Dory.
I don't think I've ever even eaten a fish.
Good on you, mate.
Whew, glad I got that off my chest.
Alright, anyone else? Hey, what's your problem?
Me? No, I don't have a problem.
Denial. Just start with your name.
Hi, I'm Marlin. I'm a clownfish.
A clownfish? Really? Go on, tell us a joke.
What's the derivative of a cow?
I don't know.
Prime rib.
Oh, look, what's that?
A mask.
What does it say?
I don't know. Let me
Let's go.
see it.
Let's go find a fish that can
Let
read
me see it.
Oh no, am I bleeding?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Here's Brucey.
I got the fish tonight! That was a close one, Dory. Fish bump. The mask!
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills, you know what you're gonna do when life gets you down?
What?
Just keep swimming.
Dory,
Just
I don't
keep
have time for
swimming,
your
just
singing.
keep
I gotta find my
swimming,
teacher. I need to turn in my
swimming,
homework.
just
I need to
keep
find Miss
swimming,
Mayfield.
Just keep swimming. Wait, there it is. Wait, I think I know what it says.
Really?
Yeah. P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Wait, you can read?
Hey dudes.
Where are we?
The IVT, man. The Intercoastal Velocity Transit.
What? My teacher. I need to find Miss Mayfield.
Where are you guys going?
Wallaby Way, Sydney.
You're already on the way, dudes. Your X is coming up, dudes. Remember, integrate, substitute, and don't forget plus C. 3, 2, 1, jump!
Okay, so as Marlin and Dory ride on Crush, they find that the outer edge of his shell can be measured by y equals cosine x over 2 plus 3, bounded by x equals 2 pi, and x equals 13 pi over 2. What is the volume of his shell when revolved around the line y equals 1? So first we want to draw a graph representing this function cosine of x over 2. And it's going to be bounded by 2 pi and 13 pi over 2. And it's going to be revolved around y equals 1. So when looking at the graph, we know that our r is going to be equal to top minus bottom, which would be our function, which is cosine x over 2 plus 3 minus y equals 1 to minus 1. This is going to equal cosine x over 2 plus 2. So in order to find the volume, we need to do pi times the integral from our x bounds, which is 2 pi to 13 pi over 2, of our cosine x over 2 plus 2 all squared dx. So when we multiply that out, we're going to have pi times the integral from 2 pi to 13 pi over 2 times cosine squared of x over 2 plus 4 cosine x over 2 plus 4 dx. Now we don't know how to integrate cosine squared of x over 2, so we're going to change that to 1 plus cosine x over 2. And then we have our plus 4 cosine of x over 2 plus 4 dx. Now in order to simplify this, we change so we have pi times the integral of 2 pi to 13 pi over 2 of 1 half cosine x plus 4 cosine of x over 2, and then we have our plus 1 half and plus 4 dx. So the next step, we combine the 1 half and the 4 to get 9 halves, and now we can integrate it because we know to integrate all the parts. So we have pi times 1 half sine x plus 8 sine x of x over 2 plus 9 halves x, all evaluated from 2 pi to 13 pi over 2. And then first we're going to substitute in 13 pi over 2. So we have pi times 1 half times, and then sine of 13 pi over 2 is going to be 1. And then 8 times sine of 13 pi over 2 divided by 2 is going to be 13 pi over 4. So sine of 13 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. And then just plus 9 halves times 13 pi over 2. And then we're going to subtract, substituting in the 2 pi in all of them. So we'll sine of 2 pi is just going to be 0. And then sine of 2 pi over 2 would be sine of pi, which is also 0. And then we have our plus 1 half, or plus 9 halves times 2 pi. So then once we convert all those down and simplify them, we get pi times 1 half minus 4 times the square root of 2 plus 81 pi over 4. And then we put this in the calculator to get a value of 183.65875. So the volume of crushed shell is 183.65875 units cubed.
Do any of these boats look familiar to you?
No, we just need to find Miss Mayfield.
Duck!
That's not a duck, it's a pelican! Ah! I've got to find my teacher, Miss Mayfield.
I've heard of her. She's that fish. You've been looking all over the ocean for her.
Come on, Dory, let's keep going. She's crazy.
No, come back. Come back. Come back.
Mine.
Nobody make any sudden moves. Hop in my mouth.
Why? How does that help us?
I can take you to Miss Mayfield.
Yeah, right.
No, I know who your teacher is. She's cow crazy, always giving homework, wears a black rain jacket.
That's her! That's Miss Mayfield!
Alright, are you ready to fasten your seatbelts? Hold on!
Find the position of Miss Mayfield given that Nigel moves in the XY skyplane in such a way that his velocity vector is that. If the position at t equals 0 is given by 8, negative 2, find the position of Miss Mayfield at t equals 2. So we know that x of b equals x of a plus the integral from a to b of x prime of t dt. So in this step, I subbed in the a and b values and then subbed in the x prime of t. And then I subbed in the initial condition that I gave in the problem and I integrated. And then in this step, I subbed in my limits of integration and then I simplified to get x of 2 equals 4. And then for the y coordinate, we can do the same thing we did as the x coordinate. So I subbed in my a and b values and the y prime of t. And then I subbed in the initial condition and I integrated. And then I subbed in the limits of integration and I simplified to y of 2 equals 2. So the position at t equals 2 is 4, 2. and it is confirmed that Miss Mayfield is located at P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
That's her! Miss Mayfield! Miss Mayfield! She's stuck in there!
So how fast does the radius of a spherical air bubble change when Nemo's breath blows air into at a rate of 10 cubic centimeters per second when the radius is 3 centimeters? So we first are going to draw a picture of a sphere that is going to have a radius of r, and we're given that the dv dt is equal to 10 cubic centimeters per second, but we want dr dt. So a volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So when we when we take the derivative of the volume, we'll have dv dt equals 4/3 pi times 3r squared dr dt. So then if we simplify that, we'll have dv dt equals 4 pi r squared dr dt. And then we were given that our dv dt is 10, so we have 10 equals 4 pi r squared dr dt. And then in order to find dr dt, we have to divide 4 pi r squared on both sides. We'll have dr dt equals 10 over 4 pi r squared. And we know that we were given that the radius is 3 centimeters, so dr dt is equal, we're going to substitute 3 in for r, so dr dt equals 10 over 4 pi times 3 squared, which is going to equal 5 over 18 pi, which is about 0.0884 centimeters per second. So
Dory, I couldn't have crossed the plus C without you, but it's too late. I gotta go home.
No, please. I remember stuff when I'm with you.
No, Dory, I gotta go.
Look, P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Dory, it's too late. I'm going home.
Okay.
Marlon? Student? Marlon? Ah!
Oh, sorry. Are you okay?
Marlon? Student?
Are you okay? What's wrong?
Marlon? Have you seen? He's my student.
Marlon? I know that name.
Where? Did you see him?
Yeah, he went this way. Come on.
Marlon? Is that you?
Miss Mayfield?
Marlon!
Miss Mayfield! Miss Mayfield, I've been looking for you. I need you to check this assignment for me. Did I plug this in right?
Substitute.
Swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
Wait up!
Do we need these
All right, everyone, fasten your seatbelts. Everybody.
There it is. Wait, I think I know what it says.
You can wait.